Ukraine's military has released a video purportedly showing 2 Russian patrol boats being blown up in the Black Sea. The clip begins with an aerial view of one Raptor-class boat in the water. The ship then bursts into a fireball, sending debris and sparks flying through the air. The second boat, which was on the move, suffers an identical fate. 2 Russian Raptor boats were destroyed at daybreak today near Zmyany, Snake Island. General Valery Zaluzhny, the commander-in-chief of Ukraine's military, said in a Facebook post. Russia's military has not yet commented on the video. The reported destruction comes a few weeks after Russia's Moskva warship sank in the Black Sea. In mid-April, a U.S. official had told Fox News that the U.S. believes that the flagship vessel was hit with 2 Ukrainian missiles before going underwater. The Moskva was roughly 60 nautical miles south of Odessa at the time of the explosion. Moscow claimed the ship sank after a fire on board caused a blast. This is a video of Ukrainian troops striking a Russian Raptor project high-speed patrol boat from Mariupol with a Konkur's ATGM. 2 Russian sailors were reportedly wounded and the boat was towed to Yeisk.
Пизда ему. Бля. Справа он идет, видишь его? Есть! Влево пошел.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.